Alright, so I am actually vlogging in my car. And alright, this is totally new. I want to wait. Okay, it's not. Ooh, okay, never mind. Are we gonna try that again? Okay. There we go. Alright. Hey y'all. I'm at Starbeezy. Feeling kind of breezy. Hold on. Waiting on my order. Order me a venti white tea.
How you doing?
Hi.
682.
Okay, thank you. I ordered me a venti white tea. I don't know if y'all can hear me under this. I ordered me a venti white tea and a banana nut bread. And in the car, hanging out. Whoop. There we go. Hanging out with you fine folk.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. All right. Oh, thank you. Oh, yes. And yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you too. Thank you. All right. I'm going to do white tea because I always get black tea. Let me take this off now. Let me not hit the guy with the smoking the cigarette. Okay. It smells heavenly in there. It smells fresh coffee. But I'm running around getting a few things, and I had to stop to the bank first, and then I went to Starbucks to get my venti white tea, like I said, banana nut bread, and I heard the nut bread was good. So, and then I'm gonna try that white. I've tried white tea, but I think I drunk it cold. But I have from Wawa. For those of y'all who don't know what Wawa is, it's a chain of convenience stores around the South Jersey, Pennsylvania area. They even have a few like running around, like I think they have like one in Florida. They have like, I think maybe, I don't know if they have some. I know Delaware, they do, and Maryland, but I know for sure that it's more mainly like Pennsylvania, like all around Pennsylvania. So, but yeah. And I was contemplating on getting a hoagie from them today, but I was thinking Jersey Mike's today. Because I saw, and you know what's crazy? I saw a commercial last night for Jersey Mike's, and I was like, you know what's crazy? I was thinking about getting a Jersey Mike's hoagie like for a few days. So I guess they read my mind. But yeah, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna get some things done today. And plus, I have my twist out popping, and I'm running around. And plus, it's my little way to get out the house, you know, because sometimes when you're cooped up, you get a little antsy and crazy. So, and plus, it's a beautiful day outside, so let me take advantage of it. You know what I mean? So, just driving around the old neighborhood. Actually, I'm going to a different town for Walmart, but not far away. Just cruising down. Oh, come on, dear buddy, what you doing? You going 2 miles an hour. An hour! What the hell wrong with you? But yeah, how you guys doing during this quarantine? I know the last time we spoke, I wasn't in very high spirits, but I'm in much better spirits now. And I guess maybe I should do it like this so it's not long and drawn out, but I'm in a much better place. Thank God I am. Got out of that slump of that depression. I just prayed to get out of it. You know, and it was such a rough time because it was like the last couple of weeks of school. I was like, this is not the time to be having a meltdown, T. But sometimes it gets the best of you. But, you know, because you're a human being. But remember, at the end of the day, whose you are and who's behind you, don't fear what's before you. You know, so that's what I'm taking with me. And things are looking up in a lot of different ways. As far as me going back to school, I think I'm taking an alternative route to school. I'm not going to talk it exactly yet, but I'm going to take advantage of all the time that I have, especially with this pandemic, and get some things cracking, at least for school's sake. The academics part is like over, like just doing schoolwork, but it's just advancing to the next level of what I want to do. And so, and like I said, I know it sounds vague, but I'm actually going to tell you later on, like as the journey goes and how I got there once we get there. All right, so it's going to take a process. It's going to take a little minute, but I think it'll be worth it. Let's stop that. Wait, let's stop that. But I hope you guys are in high spirits and you guys are trying to be, at least keep trying to keep yourselves there. I know this time is challenging for a lot of us. You know, whether we are sick ourselves, we have loved ones who are sick and friends, and also, you know, even just it's hard not being really outside that much and doing what you normally do. I know, but I think this is challenging us in many different ways, not only spiritually and mentally, emotionally, physically, but I think this is going to challenge us to be more creative with what we're doing in life and making the best of everything. I think that's what the true takeaway with this coronavirus is that we should make the best of everything, despite what's going on, and that we should really turn these lemons into lemonade, into lemon meringue pie, lemon bars, lemon cookies, lemon poppy seed cake, lemon everything. We should take it and turn this out. All right, take advantage of those lemons. I even want you to use the peels if you got to. Make our lemons into lemonade. Do the best with what we're dealt with, and we just have to really just hang in there. Everybody, just do your part. Wear your mask. Proper hygiene, and spread information, right information, and not germs. Okay, and we should come out through this. I think for a lot of us, it may not seem like it, but we'll come out stronger than before. It will come out better than before. So yeah, guys, I'd say take advantage of everything that this time, this winding down has to offer you. And this is a nice way of telling us to slow down. I think this is God's way of telling us to slow down and to enjoy everything, because we're in such a fast-paced society now. But that's my little soapbox spiel about this whole thing, and not to get too long and drawn out into it, but I think that's what we should take away, and that's the take-home message. All right, so that's my little 2 cents, 10 cents, or 25 cents, whatever. Okay, turn it to the complex. There you go. So we're almost at Walmart. Gonna be there very soon, actually. And but I'm glad that for those of you watching, if this somehow makes your day, then I feel like I've done my job. Now I'm behind this dump truck. Yippee! So actually, we're coming up against Wawa, not Walmart. I keep getting those messed up. Can I turn the camera? Yes. So you guys will see what's. Oh, never mind. You can't see it all. Y'all can't see. Y'all can't see worth the damn. But yeah. So I'm driving past a Wawa. For those of y'all who know what Wawa is, if y'all are commenting and y'all know what Wawa is, leave the thumbs up in the comments. It's kind of relaxing. You know what I like about driving? It's so relaxing to me sometimes, especially when I got things like on my mind, or you know, I just need a little escape. It's really relaxing for me. Oh, there goes Taco Hell on the right side of me. I used to love their chalupas, but you know, sometimes Taco Bell would be gross for me. Like, ooh. When do I have to learn how to make it at home? See? Now this quarantine has turned me back into a chef again. Well, somewhat. I ain't no chef, but I get by. I do my thing. Maybe I should park on the other side of the store, because I think it's going to be more room, because this looks congested. Alright, way we situated don't look like social distancing at all. Alright, sis, I'm gonna need you to move out the way, because I need to get by. Thank you very much. Thank you kindly. But yeah, guys, alright, so I'm going to head into Walmart, and I will see y'all in a moment. Alright, and plus this video, this part of it, let me close this part of it and do the next part. So alright, let's go in. Walmart Row with Tea.